Next, we're gonna draw a Power Lizard. Did I forget to mention that this is a... Alright, let's get started. Now we're drawing Power Lizard. Remember, follow my lead, guys. Each one of these animals we're given to, each one of these animals represents the PJ Masks animal forms. They're actually guardians. My theory, the PJ Crystal came down as a star that landed on Earth. And it shows Amaya, Connor, and Greg to stop evil. This thing has been going on for years now. Now there's only one question for you guys. Who created the PJ Crystal? Was it the gods? Yeah, definitely gods. Here are the Thagamizers.